Hey guys, it's me, Sunny here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a great cheer. So you can cheer for any whoever you want for the team, but I'm going to be cheering for Giants. I like the Giants, and I got the red and blue fake pom-pom fakes. So let's get started. And just little round a little bit, just a tiny little bit of sun. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, ready? Cheer, cheer, cheer for the Giants. The Giants are best in all wide world. Go Giants, go Giants, go Giants, Giants, go Giants. Giants are the best. Go Giants, go Giants, go Giants, the Giants. Go Giants, go Giants, go Giants. Go Giants, go Giants, Giants, N-A-Y-Y, N-A-Y-Y, N-A-Y-Y. Giants are the best, B-S-T-Y, B-S-T, B-E-S-T, B-E-S-T, Giants are the best. Cheer for the Giants, they are the best. So that was the first cheer. And now let's do second cheer. Cheer for the Giants, go Giants, go Giants, Giants are the best. We'll kick their butt if they make the Giants moves. Go Giants, go Giants, go Giants, go Giants, go and shake it to the side, go and shake it to the right, go and shake it to the right, shake it up high, shake it up low, go Giants, shake it to the right, shake it to the right, go Giants, and shake it up high. Go Giants, 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 go Giants. Go Giants, go Giants, go Giants, go Giants, go Giants, go Giants, hey, go Giants, hey, go Giants, hey. We'll kick the butt, we'll kick the butt, we'll kick the butt, we'll kick the butt, go Giants. So that was the second cheer, and now we're gonna do the third, the last cheer. Go, shake the left, shake the left, shake the left, shake it up high, shake it up low, shake the left, shake the left, shake it to the left for the losers. Shake the left if you like the losers, shake it if you like the winners. The winners are the Giants, Giants, the winners are the Giants, Giants, go Giants. You can do the kick the, you can kick the butt all day. Now you go Giants. You can do Giants. Go Giants. Go Giants. Go Giants. Hey Giants. Hey Giants. Hey Giants. Hey Giants. Hey Giants. Oh yeah. Go Giants. Hey Yankees. Hey Yankees. Hey Yankees. Hey Yankees. Hey Yankees. Boots the Yankees. upon your pants, Yankee on. You can lose Giants, go Giants, go Giants, go Giants, hey, hey, go Giants. So that was the last cheer. And now I'm going to tell you so this is a Jessie doll. I put her all in different clothes. I dress all my dolls in tons of clothes. So this is a Jessie doll. She costs very much because it's a Jessie doll from the Jessie movie. And these dolls cost, I don't know how much they cost. They probably cost $1,100 and $1,000. I don't know, but it's less than $1,100 and $1,000. It's probably $1,000 or something. But in this is Twilight Sparkle.